There's definitely been some steep old climbs in this. Just made our way back down from Tintagel. The castle, I mean, or the ruins. It's very, very steep. I'm definitely having a leg workout on this day. Jess has already made sure that we're going to get the bus back up because we're knackered.
He wants to get the bus too.
We're both knackered. My leg's knackered. Getting too old for this. I had a request from my 8-year-old daughter. Thought I'd drop something there. To get her a fridge magnet. So we're going to look in the shop there, see if we can get one. That's the same dog.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Bless you.
See how many people we can say bless you to on this holiday. The Father, the Son and the Holy Spirit, isn't it, or something? It's what?
Milk.
Milk lemonade.
Milk lemonade, yeah.
Oh, that is. I thought it was the Father, the Son and the Holy Ghost. She's talking about milk and lemonade. Here's your magnets. Is it? Are they magnets? Yeah. I think she'll enjoy this one. Just arrived at St Glenn's. Is it? No, it's not St Glenn's. St Nectans Glen. Yeah, we're off to a waterfall. So we've got a bit of spare time now. Just had some lunch in a lovely little pub. Lovely little pub.
Just eaten and we're thinking about food again.
Just never ending, isn't it? Food. I love food. I love food.
Love you.
Oh, thanks.
Hashtag rude. Didn't say it back, did he?
Hashtag camera. Shy.
Aww. Get so shy when you had to say it on the phone as well.
Is this the way?
Yeah.
Have you been here before?
No, but there's a big sign there that's pointing this way.
Oh, that's fair enough then.
He's gone to get the camera, tripod, because he forgot.
How many times do you think you've hiccuped on this holiday?
Not that many?
Not that many?
No.
Per day?
No more than usual.
Oh, come on.
Maybe 4 or 5 times a day.
I'm going to go and see a doctor about this. It's getting too much. I need an expert. Hiccup expert.
No, you don't. Hiccups are comfort.
I don't even know if they're hiccups. I think they're just spasms. Weird spasms. How many steps have we done?
We've done 9,650.
Really?
Yes.
That's not too bad. I think most of them have been uphill, haven't they?
Uphill, yes.
So we can double that.
I don't think that's
We can double the
quite
steps. It's fine. Double the expenditure on the energy front.
Yeah, but it doesn't count as double steps.
I'm sure it's more than normal, isn't it? Like a normal flat hill kind of. Flat hill?
Flat hill?
That doesn't make sense.
Flat hill?
How can you have a flat hill? Stupid. Well, you'll find out when you know, won't you?
Yeah. You will, you find out when we know.
That's better. I don't have to keep changing the exposure.
Exposure.
Exposure. Best not say that, there's people around us. What's your opinion?
I don't like walking in wellies.
I'll agree with that one.
You already dropped your phone in the water already, didn't you?
No, don't mention the phone, for God's sake.
7 phones in 7 months?
Yeah, we know why, don't we? Criminal.
You're not a criminal. They didn't find anything against you.
Yeah.
No, legit, I forgot.
Ready?
Yeah.
Record.
I'm recording.
Jess just did a schoolboy error. Didn't you, babe? No, lies. She forgot to press record. And I did the best acting I've ever done as well, going across this bridge. And what did she do? She bloody well forgot to press record. Never again. Never letting her do it again.
He made me pose. He fucked up. He didn't press record.
I kind of forgot to press record after telling Miss Jessica Chatfield off. So I've got an apology to do. Jess, I'm sorry. To stop myself from blowing a raspberry on her face. I made a mistake, as we all do, as filmmakers, schoolboy errors. So I'll take it all back. Just follow the fence all the way around. Not very long. So it'll take about 25 minutes to walk around. All right, thank you very much. Cheers. Thanks a lot. Take care. Enjoy. See ya. More steps. So whose idea was it to come up these steps? One thing I think we've definitely underestimated is steps and climbing steps. Steps and more steps. Yeah. Wasn't ready for this. Well, it's definitely working. No one's turned the tap off during COVID. I will go down that way, I guess. You alright? Yep. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I did catch you on camera.
Yeah, what's more savage? It's a dead end.
No!
Go back that
It's a dead end and you fell over. I know, I saw the twist. I'm sorry I laughed.
I laughed when you dropped the phone in the water.
I wasn't happy about it. Dropped my phone in the water, in the cave. What did she do? She just laughed.
No,
I had to go fishing for it.
Oh, babe, your phone. And then I laughed.
Yeah. She said, what's that? I said, it's my phone. She went... We were just saying about the trees, weren't we, babe? How tall they are. And you don't really get a chance to, when you're sort of doing your film and photography stuff, you don't really get a chance to kind of take it all in, you know? And it's only on the way back when I've finished all my bits, filming and stuff, I really appreciate, you know, how wide a tree is. Right, enough of that. Can't say I have ever hugged a tree, no.
To think about it, you've never hugged a tree.
I've never hugged a tree. Although, I'm sure a couple of trees have tried to hug me before. In the face. What did you think of the waterfall then?
It's pretty.
Pretty, isn't it?
Pretty as you.
Pretty as me? I'm not pretty, I'm handsome. I'm mansome.
Very handsome waterfall.
I am mansome. Yeah, it's very nice. Not too many tourists there either, so got some clear shots. And got some long exposures, which look cool, didn't they?
Can't believe you managed to capture me falling over on camera.
I can't wait to look at that back. What?
What did you say?
I said I can't wait to look at that back. It's gonna get sweaty in here, I think.
No, you are though.
I'm probably gonna grab myself.